Alright, Joms TV Media on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're on our way to AGC Park Lifestyle for the Fast Auto Core 2025 car event. So this is a gathering of different vendors from different shops na they're going to, you know, trade, sell, buy, and kung ano-ano. Basta this is free admission, first time na ginawa nila to. And congratulations to Cars Plus Coffee team, Cars Plus Coffee South team, headed by, of course, Mr. Carlo Castro and Mr. Byron Lee for this event kasi walang bayad yung pwesto. So it's all about selling and mingling with different customers and showcasing your products. Yun yung nakakatuwa dito. And it's also a car meet hosted by European-inspired enthusiasts. Diba? Sobrang nakakatuwa, di ba? Sobrang very inspiring. This episode is very inspiring kasi we, again, will see different builds from different car owners, different brands. And also, meron din dito yung mga car dealers like Hyundai, Chevrolet, to name a few, and Mazda, I believe, or Toyota and Mitsubishi, I believe. So, yun. Kung it's a good marketplace for cars. And this is a good episode for car lovers. And we dedicate this episode to all the car enthusiasts in the world. Maraming salamat sa inyo for your support. And please like and subscribe this channel so we can create more videos like this. And we can attend more car meets and car events like this. Alright? Maraming salamat sa inyo. Have a great day. Have a great week. God bless. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go. Guys, puno na. Solid talaga tong event na to. Motul. Grabe, puno na guys. Solid talaga. Guys, puno na yung labas. Ayan, yung mga different vendors. And friends from Audi. Grabe. Solid. Nice clean build though. Sir RJ.
What's up, homeboy?
How are you, sir? Welcome to Joms TV.
Jam-packed inside. Probably get like 1 or 2 slots left.
Oh man. Well, I'll park on
got
the
all
office.
these Chinese brands and some, you know, displaying this shit.
Ayan.
Displaying their rides for 2025, the lineups. Us, the usuals. You can only
The
see
usual
like
scene.
20 cars. All of us dito sa labas. Pero I'm lucky enough nakapark ako sa loob.
Nice. See you. See you around.
Maghahanap ako ng bunker ko. Nandiyan ako sa 3 pala.
Okay, dito ka. O sige. Clean builds. Always.
Joms TV!
Thank you. US Lube. Ayan o. Tapan to. Oh guys, ngayon lang nangyari to. Ganito. Punong-puno ng mga vendors from Blacklisted, BG Power Stroke, solid. Tapos food, ayan, food vendors, nandyan din, lahat, nandito. Sobrang solid nitong event na to. Congratulations to the organizers. Sobra sa ginagawa nyo sa core community. You guys rock. Dito tayo papark sa office. Mikot lang tayo for this one. Ayan, ito. So top 1 is here. Dito yung top 1. Ayan yung Hyundai booth. Nandyan yung showroom nila. Solid. Ayun, may mga iba-ibang vendors. Sobrang saya nitong event na to. Grabe, solid. Grabe, ang galing. Friends from Hyundai. Hyundai Alabang. Friends from Hyundai Alabang. Friends from Kumu. Of course, si Sir Albert Aquino. nakapwesto. Ayun, oh. Guys, oh. Sir Albert, oh. Yung idol natin. Galing! Galing nito. Solid tong group na to. Solid tong event na to. Galing, galing, galing. Right. So, lumabas tayo ulit. Ayan, oh. These guys are from the Euro-inspired naman. Ayan. Oh, of course, watching me. Sir RJ. Ayan. Guys, our friends from EcoSource. Ayan. Ito EcoSource. Sir Oscar. Ayan, o, EcoSource. Ito, Brad Auto Detailing. Ayun, o. Brad Auto Detailing. Ayun, o. Ayun, o. Sir Arwin. Grabe. Grabe tong event na to. And of course, hindi makompleto pag wala Become Legendary. Hi, sir. Tayo na naman. Long time no see. Congrats, congrats.
Konti pa eh, pero baka mga 4 yan.
Konti pa ba yan?
Konti pa po.
Mukhang jump pack na naman. Oh guys, kung gusto niyo ng shirts, Become Legendary. Sir, Facebook?
Become Legendary PH.
Alright, yun.
Siyempre, huwag mong kalimutan, Joms TV.
Ay, maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, solid to. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Sir Bong, oh.
Ay, boss.
May-ari.
Idol.
Thank you. Ito, idol natin. Tira mo naman, oh. Ito yung idol talaga namin, eh. Yan, oh. Yan.
Kamit ko na.
Oh, guys. Retired na. Si Sir Bong.
Veteran ka na. Veteran. Ay, idol yan.
Ito talaga idol natin. Ito.
No-comment ako, parang. Parang may pag-argue. Wala may...
Hey guys, oh! Boa Moto TV!
Idol!
Wild dito? Wild dito? Anong bango na ito? Ayun pa iso!
Table, hinihiyan!
Tinan mo yun, oh!
Ayun pa isa!
Ayun pa isa, oh!
Dumating na!
Dahil dito, kaya meron ito, Mr. Carlo Castro.
Thank you for coming, Joms TV.
Maraming salamat, Sir Carlo.
Salamat sa always support.
Always.
Welcome.
Congratulations.
To Fast Autocore, Auto Bazaar, and Carmin.
Sobrang thank you, Sir Carlo. Sobra. Anong ba ang mga ganap ngayon?
Actually, we have acoustic band later, raffle, we have test drive of brand new cars of Champion Group of Companies.
Okay.
They have 7 dealerships. Even BYD's there. So you want to try electric vehicles? They have it.
Okay. Congratulations, Sir Carlo. We're looking forward. Maraming salamat. Always.
Hopefully, we have one more this coming March at Alabang Town Center.
Okay. Abangan natin yan. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Carlo.
Tutulong sa inyo yung may-ari, oh. Ayun yung may-ari, oh.
ceremony.
Bro, ito na, may bagong ikutan na golfer. May bagong ikutan na golfer.
If you want to know ceremony of Chongyan Group of Companies.
Hello po, sir.
Thank you so much for having this awesome event. And sir, could you tell us something more about the company you've been here for 20 times? Mike, alright, so Sir Mike, wow, this is Mike. Alright, so today we want to manager of Chongyan Group of Companies. Sir,
Thank you for having us. Actually, Chongyan Group of Companies to make sure that all of the main cars that gas within the car class of our collaborative teams will be served to all the new car models. But aside from that, we would like to emphasize more on the services. That's why we have our expertise in our parking lot to assess our car regardless of brand, provided it's already out of warranty. Service, and free check-up, bro. Kasi we will see to it that the current condition of the car is in good condition despite of the fact that kasi most of the time, diba, kapit walang tayo. And then, we're very busy from Monday to Friday, and then bigla na lang may lalabas sa dashboard, meron na naman Christmas lights. Kaya, being a car enthusiast, we should be also aware of the actual condition of our cars, diba? Yun ang first priority ng Chongyan Group of Companies. We're not only showcasing the cars in terms of the new trending features, but might as well you know how to take care of our cars. Yan na yung parang ating diba? Minsan nag-aaway yung iba dahil
Sir, really, parang pagmamahal niya yung life habang nilalagay yung tumatagal yung
kaya from our group, you see the group of PI and Hyundai car product lines, BYD, our brand is GMA, Bike, Auto, along with our sister company, and then of course, ang ating Chevrolet dito is already positioned here in the side, and it's open outside, it's already open for battery unit, as well as service. We'd like to also tell the people that the Chongyan Group of Companies is only 30 dealers nationwide. 30 dealers nationwide. We have several Mitsubishi dealers in Davao. Kaya since ito ang first Chongyan Group passport showcase, or we would like also to have go down to the people that meron na tayong susunod daw according to Carmen Payo. Nasa ito daw ba?
Carmen Coffee.
Carmen Payo. We would like to thank also the concessionaires, but our partners, mga suppliers and services na sana continue yung ating program na nagsimula rito, and then soon to be announced na naman siguro next year. Siyempre tayo na bahala.
Kasi ang ganda kasi inuman ng Chongyan Group of Companies. So you're showcasing not only for the company, also lahat ng car-related dito sa Pilipinas. You're also showcasing mga parang to the car culture.
Kasi diba, most of the time, pagka may car show, they emphasize more on the features of the new car. Then we will like, aside from the service, we would like also to emphasize the other three pillars. Kasi diba, there are 4 major pillars of leadership: trade, mandating, sales, and marketing. Ito yung ginagawa na natin. Then secondary, yung kanyang tanay yung after sales. Now, with regards to after sales, meron siya parts and accessories. So it's a matter of choice of the enthusiast whether it's going to go for the original equipment, OEM, plus other mga suppliers natin. Plus, ito pa, yung makikita yung mga frontliners natin na nag-cater ng product lines. So yun sa hindi ko kaya when it comes to update natin hindi lang binibenta ko, itong mga concessionaires natin na place the vital role for the entire showcase. So, sana kayo dito, maging tayo ang area ng isa. Index sunod, sooner later, sabi ni Carlos Bayo. Far south daw, far south. And then north and then central.
And the whole Philippines. Saan dito sana mangyayari talaga.
Mangyayari talaga, yung dalawang pag yun eh, dynamic ng grupong yan. Dynamic duo. Plus, syempre, yung iba pa makakasama natin sa auto. Sa auto, si Boss Papi and si sa master ano natin, sa master
Garage.
Ayun mga yan. Actually, ito, ko anong lang yesterday, hindi lang pala pagbebenta ang binibili. Would you believe na bumili yung ibang master garage na officer natin dahil sa mesa? Dahil sa sili sa Axilia, bumili ng boto.
Alam mo yung narinig ko sabi, hindi yung kotse,
yung mesa, ang sabi niya, ma, bumili ako ng mesa. Kaso yung libre akin ha, ang libre ko.
Ganon paraan siya. Tsaka hindi tayo kasi sa ginawa yung mga special focus, yung mga concession natin, nag-isip sila just for yesterday and today. Diba?
Kaya sana propagate natin. Propagate natin meron na. Hindi lang tayo dito. Makakapilay siya sa partner assistant sa product mo.
Tama. Sir, did you invite them on your Facebook page? Actually, social media is one of the most powerful tools.
Actually, lahat naman makakabigin nyo. Yung the name of the dealership will already give you the Facebook address. Like sabi, yung GMA Photo GMA Cavite, yung Buying GMA Cavite, and Chen GMA Cavite, along with Hyundai Alabang, Cherry Alabang, Chevrolet, the Cias, BYD Alabang. So lahat yan, nakikita nyo magkakasama ko din po.
Maraming salamat for supporting the Philippine car culture. Once again, Chompion Group.
Hindi ka ng Chompion na magkakaroon and each and every one who participate is first passport auto shooting.
Yes, tayo sa gagawin mo yung midnight party na ibang taas yung
nabalitaan ko nga, nabigay kayo ng todo eh.
all charges na yung mga participant, hindi sa natin gawin yung pagkawan kayo. Ginawa nila, sila yung tinawag na social check. Pero makakaya ko. So, I'm very looking forward for more events we can make a group of companies. Thank you so much, sir.
Yung anak ko, Bossmark. Kaliwa ko, kaliwa.
Bossmark.
Sir Mike Chompion, our president for
Good afternoon to everyone. Everybody's having fun.
Yes, sir. Siyempre, masaya dito sa Versailles. Kahit may napakitin ko ng lugar na ako, sir. Versailles or Versailles? Di Versailles. Napakasaya dito, sir.
Alina mo, everybody from the south, from the north, pick up.
Yes, yes. This is right now. The first about our last,
First event. Who need that? We will have that's the year goes by. So I hope that we get and daming event na dito na tutuloy na pili.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, sir. Please do enjoy the festivities. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go.
Thank you po.
Guys, so, kung gusto niyo ng, ano tawag dito, sir? Toasters.
Keychain.
Yan. Ito yan.
Media page map, saan tayo? Yung shop din natin, saan located?
Card of F up. Hindi ko masabi. Baka maano ako. Ayun o, gumawa sila for hotdog. At sakto, ayun yung may-ari yung hotdog. Of course.
Bakit si Ben wala dito?
Asa yung clean build? Ito yung, ayan. Ito guys, yung nasa clean build. Kasi yan sila ma'am, yung mga owners. Okay, yun. Ay, t-shirt. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Balik natin, dami natin. Elite Wheels Car Studio, Elite Wheels Car Studio. So, madali na naman ito. May singer ba? So, for Elite Wheels Car Studio, ano yung services offer natin? Sa yung shop natin, you can buy them like your Facebook page.
Guys, ito mga idol ko. Of course, Clean Culture and Rad Auto Detailing picture. Ayun. Thank you.
Hey, gawa na kami ng teaser for 23.
Alright guys, Jumps TV Media with Clean Culture at meron silang very important announcement.
Guys, it's going to be our 11th year anniversary on March. Nasa Alabang Town Center kami.
Yun.
So guys, lahat ng Clean Culture fans, please drop by and enjoy the festivities with us. I'm with Lloyd, I'm with Cart. Again, please join us on the 23rd. See you there.
Thank you. Thank you. Clean Culture with Jumps TV Media. Jumps TV Media with Clean Culture here at Fast Auto Car. Mga friends natin. Right. Guys, Rad Auto Detailing. Guys, our friends from EcoSource, of course, headed by Sir Oscar. Yun.
Let go sa pay for your bills.
Yes, oh, ganda ng tagline na yun, no? Let nature works for you. Diba, sir?
Yes.
Alright, thank you, thank you. Alright guys, nandito ako sa booth ng EcoSource at minapansin ako, this is a bike na regular gasoline, sir.
Yes.
Tapos, ayan, tell us
Used to be
about...
regular gasoline.
Alright.
Ngayon, medyo luma na siya, ang hirap na hanapan ng parts.
Okay.
Kinonvert namin ngayon sa electric para wala nang problema sa parts.
Oh guys, this is a regular bike. Anong bike to, sir?
Italjet.
Italjet. Oh, ayun, ito pala yung... Pero grabe oh. Tsaka talagang racing na kasi instant torque
Racing
na.
specification to.
Okay.
So 3 kilowatts. 3 kilowatts yung electric motor niya.
Okay. So EcoSource can basically convert electric, parang i-electric niya yung bike niya from motor.
Yes.
Any existing bike.
Yes.
Alright. Oh, check out their Facebook page, sir. Any page?
EcoSource Solar Solutions.
Alright.
Facebook page.
Okay. Ayun yung link nila. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Oscar. Sir, thank you. Guys, walang tunog oh. Pwedeng manakaw yung bike. Eto, late to. Guys, all about cars, so late ka na, sir. Long time no see. Long time no see.
First video na tayo.
Oh, yan. Facebook page, all about cars. Oh guys, eto, ayan. Yes sir. Ito yung buong system, sir.
Yan yung system na nagpa-power ng tent para sa media. This po ay solar.
Okay.
So ano sa support na solar is integrating area ng mga...
Sir, this one? Oh, okay. Oh, guys, pasok tayo. Ay.
Yan yung ano.
Hello. Hi guys. Alright. So we're here at the booth of EcoSource Solution. And yan, it's being powered by yan sir, the battery.
The battery operated. Actually, hybrid system yung nakakabit.
Okay.
So ano siya, pwede siyang walang mamayang gabi pagkagabi na battery na mag-supply. Yung na mataas yung araw, so ano siya.
So parang it's recharging. So, parang it's serving, okay,
para sa power plant. Later tonight, yan na yung magpa-power dyan. Itong mic na to, itong booth na to, airborne tapos expansion.
It's powered by all this one. Wow! For the okay. So you don't have to pay pa for expensive electricity. Very smart. Nice. Congratulations. Alright sir, where can they follow you?
Our Facebook page is EcoSource Solution.
Alright, see you. Yeah. Alright, sir, thank you very much. Thank you. Pala, this is the Artista tent. So just in case merong mga shooting, sir, good for shooting, for taping, ano tawag nila doon? Remote. Yan, so mga media natin, mga friends. And of course also, for engineering companies, sir, din, no? Any factories na merong remote.
Residential, commercial.
Yun, that's a good thing. Yeah. Alright, thank you, sir. Thank you. EcoSource Solution, guys. Thank you. Yun, doon sa loob, andun yung mga, yun, yung kaninang pinuntahan natin, nandun yung mga, ayun, narinig nyo si hosted by Moab, tsaka, yun, sila sir. Alright, so ito na yung, like I said kanina, this is hosted by European inspired. So ito na yung mga coaching European inspired build na JDM, na Japanese car, may American car pala, may American brand. This is a Ford. Ano nga bang Ford ito? Bagong Ford. Territory. I think this is the new Territory na naka Airsus yata. Na naka-slab. Hi sir. Ayan. Tapos ito yung Innova. Of course, European inspired. European built. Tapos ito sa Civic na ito, 97 o parang 97 kanto, very nice, linis oh, very nice, good job. Ito, itong Altis na to, I think this is the 11th gen. Galing. Siyempre may Vios. Tapos may Corolla. Linis nito. Okay, so X-Trail na naka Euro inspired. Linis oh. Pag Euro-inspired, ang linis din ng design eh, no? Grabe, ang galing. Ito, itong Vios na to. Vios na to. Yan, mga friends natin from members of EIE, Euro-inspired. Hello, sir. Yun, salamat sir. Well, mga friends natin from EIP. Yan yung mga builds nila, lilinis, no? Bawal ang alikabok, bawal ang putik, bawal madumihan, bawal, basta malinis. Bawal madungis. Oh, ganda. Ito, ayun, Euro 1. Very nice. So ito guys, oh, nalagpas na natin. Oh, hi! What's your name? Timon. Oh, that's your car? What car is that?
86.
Is that Takumi's car? Wow, very nice. Okay, so ito yung mga future natin for the next generation car guy. Siyempre, may bless ni Father, ni Daddy, at ang kotse nga ay yun, yung Euro 1. Tama, sir? Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Sorry. Ay, mga friends natin from Luxury That Moves. Parang okay yun, ha? Ayan. Thank you. I'll take a picture, ha? Okay. Good. Ito pala yung kotse ni sir. Sorry sir, nalito na ako. Pero ayan, ito yung isang kotse niya. Nakita natin siya during Grupo Toyota. Yun, check out nyo yung video natin sa Grupo Toyota. At ito pa, isa, si Purista. Yan, like yung page niya, Purista. Marami ka na nagawa. Okay. Facebook sir. Next event, may event ka ba?
Wala pa.
Wala pa?
Malalaman pa.
Kailan ka magpapa-event?
Naku!
Tanong ng bayan yan.
Collab natin yun.
Kasi, collab natin? Sige, pag-usapan natin. Oh guys, abangan nyo. Si Kyle, Sir Kyle PH, oh yun pala. Oh guys, yung mga friends natin from the media. Purista, like and subscribe sa kanyang Facebook page. Check out nyo yung picture na. Sir, thank you. Maraming salamat. Ikot lang ako. Alright. Thank you, sirs. Guys, ganito. Yan, linis. Yung pa isa. Ito kay Sir Mike yata to, tsaka yun. Tapos ito. Mamaya picturean natin to. Ito tayo. Yan. Of course, ito yung kotse ni Sir Jay. Tapos kotse ni, of course, ito kay Sir Albert Antonio. Ayan. Tapos ito
April, August, and December. Hopefully we get another event here.
Tapos ito yung minention ko kanina. Ito yung friends natin from Chevrolet. Ayan. So if you have inquiries, check out their page, Chevrolet. Chevrolet, ano ba to? Alabang. Ay, Las Piñas pala. Ayun pala si ma'am. Yung pala, Luxury That Moves. Yun pala yun. O, di ba? Alright, thank you. Guys, ito yung kanina, yung doon. Kung gusto nyo ng leather, pang manubela, tsaka siding, so sir. Lahat ng pwedeng i-leather. O, ito, sample, coin purse. Kailangan ko ito. Kalat-kalat yung baryo sa kotse. Sir, maraming salamat. Thank you. Guys, ito yung sa Hyundai Las Piñas yata, Hyundai Alabang. Ayan, these are our friends from Hyundai Alabang. Tapos guys, sumawa ba yan?
So, good afternoon po ako HSOG. So, mga hands-up sa lugar na dito natin. Meron po
Fast for Auto and Car Plus Coffee. We're inviting us to be
okay, these are our friends from Top 1. Ayan, if you need fully synthetic oils,
please feel free to go to our group.
ayan, check out their page, Top 1 Formula 1.
Mga kalbon, yung mula para sa akin. Boss ko ako eh. Ganda mga advice.
Hindi pwede naman talaga siya lang mo.
Ganda mga advice sa tama eh. Para hindi ka mamukha ni Mrs. Kaya ka kay girlfriend, gamitin mo. It's handsome, son of a... Tapos kung kay girlfriend, gamitin mo yung product, putra ni Mrs. Alam niyo, fresh siya. Yes, hindi na sasabi. Hands up sana maganda. Maraming salamat. Masaya din sa mga nila. Sabihin sila. Last casual photography. Again, hindi combo yan. Lalaki yan sila. It's like blue and yellow. Like Jazz Boy. So sorry.
Walang, uy! Prosper Society is in the building! Ayan, become legendary of course! Ayan guys, so parang na-miss ko kayo. Long time no see. Oh, long time no see. Long time no see. Prosper Society. Parang kailan lang.
Fresh from the 4th year anniversary, Prosper
Society. Ayan o, magkakasama na yun o. Mga the usual suspect.
So we are here at the Hyundai booth. Alabang, Hyundai Alabang. Di ba? Sir Nick, sir, ano mo rin natin when they can contact Hyundai Alabang, special promo on our social media page? Yes.
Actually po, my name is Nick from Hyundai Alabang. You can visit us po sa Covered W, Hyundai City Alabang. Yes po kayo, may promo po kami for Stargazer. For Stargazer, Renta, taxi, promo para user mo or
Kinakabahan si sir.
Kasi lang po kayo sa Hyundai Alabang po. Or dito sa booth namin. Basta wala din po sa main road po na nangyari. And then, for promos po, special promo po, and discount, you can get that to me po through my mobile number po. Viber ID at 0927-971-0888. Di ba?
Maraming salamat sir. Ang social media page sir.
Nick Fernandez po. Hyundai Alabang by Nick Fernandez. Kindly like ka lang po. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the
Guys, we're here. Oh, di ba? Stick? Alright, ito, meron silang pa-contest dito. You can win some of their products. And I'm with Miss Christine. Okay. Sir JC. Alright. Okay. Alright. Ang ihini mo, Abit. Okay, magsispin daw tayo dito. Oh, yeah.
Hot Wheels!
Seryoso? Oh my God! Guys, sanala tayo ng Hot Wheels! I can choose?
Yeah, you can choose.
Okay.
Ano gusto mo dyan, sir?
Ano ba meron dyan?
Available cars. Or mas gusto mo, sir?
Guys, sobrang love ko tong product na to because binigyan nila ako ng Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels.
Alright. So guys, nanalo ako ng Hot Wheels. Ay, ito na lang. Ito lang, ganito sakyan ko eh. Alright. Guys, from...
I'll give you a free set.
Oh my God, thank you. Guys, thank you. May price na, may sample pa. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless, more power. Guys, like and subscribe their channel.
And social media.
And social media. Okay, face the world with confidence. Handsome son of a gun with Joms TV Media. Alright, Facebook page. They're available on Instagram.
This is our official website for the store. Gcash for payment.
Oh yan, kailangan bayaran. Hindi libre ito. Alright, thank you. Guys, sorry sorry sir. Guys, nakita ko kasi to kasi kakukuha ko lang no, ayun yung demo car nila sir. Tapos nakita ko, binubuting-ting ni sir. Sir, yan, anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Guys, Talembang Toys.
Ito boss kasi yung ganito Actually, ang problema lang, hindi umiikot ng maayos sa mga gulong kahit na naka-forward. Ngayon, papalitan ko ngayon itong bumbos kasi parang sira yung gear sa loob. So, babalik ko siya sa stock. Yan, babalik ko lang sa stock.
Guys, parang totoong kotse din na binabalik sa modify, from stock to modified to stock.
Correct.
Grabe!
So, same lang boss. Naka-lifter din, may mga lifter din yan. Nakikita ito boss, mga gold na yan sa ilalim.
Okay! Oo nga no! Ayun!
Pailin.
Sobra!
Minsan palit din ang ano, ang shocks.
Palit din ang shocks, sir?
Palit din ang shocks.
Oh my God! Sir, guys, abangan nyo, i-feature natin sila, Talembang Toys, sila sir specifically sa ating YouTube channel. Guys, sobrang nakakatuwa to. It's very inspiring, especially for the kids and for the mature people like us.
It's a car.
At saka car guys. Yeah. Alright, sir, thank you very much. Thank you, sorry naabala kita. Pero solid. Very solid. Thank you, sir. Then guys, yung Talembang Toys. Ang drift, ang off-road pwede. Ito, dun baggy. Solid. Ayun, thank you. Solid. Galing. Thank you, sir. Let's go na.
Hindi na ako masaya.
Alis na si Clean Build.
Ingat, subscribe to Zoms TV News.
And Clean Build's Facebook page. Set na natin ha. Ingat, ingat.
Ano na next project mo?
Guys, we're watching now as Moab kung paano niya ginagawa in action.
yan. All about cars, Master Garage Media, tapos Jones TV. Ito pa, siyempre ito, Harvey. Ano?
Para sa akin,
wala nga tapos sa inyo. Honda Civic lang, ma'am. Lagi yung Valentine's Day. Ganun ka na kasi equal na. So yun, sa mga asawa na. Saka sa mga girlfriends nila. Yun ma'am, our second girlfriend. These are Autocar 20. Ano naman yung gusto mo yung mahal ka?
Mahirap yung pagkakaroon
Grabe, parang ako. Manuel, hindi na natin kalimutan ang interview mo eh. Grabe kasi po. Blacky. Hello, our second visitor. Thanks. Hindi tayo sa camera na ito.
Sa ngayon kasi,
ayun, nakita ko na. Pasan niya.
Inang talaga. Di ba inibon ko? Pag pinicturang inibon din. Inang talaga. Good. And it's going to our Mojo team on coffee.
Meet tayo si Sir Justin. Sir Justin, kamusta? Welcome to Joms TV Media. And it's nice meeting you. And Facebook. Any saan nila mag-follow?
Facebook lang po.
Yeah, Facebook. Justin
Andre B. Oliveras po.
Ayun. Salamat. Nandito siya ngayon sa event na to. Sir, enjoy. Enjoy. Nice meeting you. Thank you. Ingat, ingat. Thank you. Guys, tingnan nyo tong photo na to. Parang... Oo. Ang ganda oh. Photon Outback. Alright guys, here still, dito naman tayo, punta naman tayo sa labas. And ayan, si GT Lights. Ayan, check naman natin yung ibang mga auto na nandito sa labas, katulad nito. Ayan. Guys, solid tong event na to because parang puro marketplace at saka ayan, may mga... Tapos may mga dumarating pa guys, oh. Yun, oh. So ito, grabe naman to. Okay, so this event is basically may mga Wigo, Bio, Yaris. Okay na ito. Ganda ng kalde. Ayan, tapos may mga nagpipicture ng mga mo. Itong LC na to, oh. Nice! Sir, oh, pang eco source. Ayan guys, this is the GT Light Solution, Lights booth. Ayan, yung mga friends natin, yung mga models. Ayan, nagkakabit yata sila ng ilaw. So pag bumili kayo ng GT Lights, sila ang magkakabit. Alright, diba? Bili na kayo, GT Lights. Alright, thank you. Ayan, friends from GT Lights. Solid, oh. Ito naman yung kotse nila, Prosper Society. Ayan. Shout out to Prosper Society. Guys, tignan nyo naman, oh. Tignan nyo yung kulay nito, pati yung pagkas-ganda nito. Breakout. Of course, kotse ni Sir Paul. Yun.
Ito boss, para...
Ayan. Uy, oh, bossy. Hindi ko sorry, hindi ko akalain. Ang bata nito para magkaroon ng ganito. Solid, oh. Anong Altis to, boss?
2020 po.
2020?
12 years.
Grabe.
Ano tayo? Hindi yun. Jadom, JD.
JDM? Ano mag-stove?
Rota lang.
Rota?
Ulit.
Kailan?
Rota po, boss. Rota yan. Biglang nabas si kuya, kabata.
Yan, si Sir Mike. Ano? Sorry, Dennis. Tsaka si Sir Kelvin. Ayan. Guys, nadaanan ko to eh. Nag-rolling ako dito. Ayun, daming chicks dun, oh. Tapos, nakita ko to. Ang linis ng kotse.
Linis, boss?
Oo. Pwede na to. Eto sabi ko, huwag na sandalan. Kanya pala. Baka mapabas tayo eh. Okay boss, anong model to?
2020 po.
Okay.
12 Gen.
12 Gen. Anong build to? JDM?
Opo. Hindi ko rin alam basta. Nilagyan na ng box.
Tapos yung ano nito, yung stance nito, ano to? Naka lowering spring?
Fitment ko po sa Fitment Lab.
Uy, na-vlog natin yan. Shoutout kay Sir Lawrence of Fitment.
Ayaw, mayroon po yung sticker sa likod.
Ay, sa likod pala.
Kaya Fitment Lab.
Ayan guys, oh. Shoutout kay Sir Lawrence sa kay Sir CJ. Yan, to mga na-feature natin to. Ayan. 3 fingers ba? Sige nga, tingnan natin. Kung 3 finger. 3 finger. Maliit pa nga eh.
Maliit pa.
Solid. Ganda. Solid.
Nahiya to sa mga baba.
Pwede na yan. Basta build your own. Pero linis, so guys, so, sobrang solid. Oh. Ganda. Anong gen to? 12? 12 gen. Oo, kasi guys, feature tayo yung kulay pula doon. Na-feature natin yung pula doon. Alright, maraming salamat sa inyo. Please like and subscribe, Joms TV Media.
Maraming salamat
guys, ito yung dream bike ko. Ito yung Harley Davidson na breakout. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano year ito.
Matching your Chinga in the building as well. So to all the concessionaires, maraming salamat po for supporting Cars Plus Coffee.
Nice.
Again.
Guys, ito na yung mga media kaibigan natin. Ayan na si Zainab. Tapos, parang hindi kami nagkita.
Ayun o.
Long time no see.
Ayun po, isa.
Masyado kami matagal nitong nagkita.
Ayun yung isa tutok mo sa kanya, hindi sa akin.
Asan? Ayun pa isa oh.
Ayan, nabuli natin yun oh.
Teka lang, may nagbibideo pala dito. Sinong, ayan oh, may ganap dito. Anyway, ayan ang mga kotse na nandito. Ayun, sir. Solid oh. Oh yeah. Nice. Guys, buti na lang. Ang sarap ng lamig oh. Lamig ngayon dito. Ayun oh, Sir Darwin. Ayun, Sir Smiley oh. Ayun oh. Of course, Sir Paul. Ito yung sentra niya, na-picture na natin. Ang pogi, ang linis. Friend natin si Lance Casio at may Victoria. Yun yung kotse ni Talembang Boys. Okay, pasok na tayo sa loob. Meron pa pala dito. Hi sir. Hey, thank you sir. Kumusta po? Teka lang. Ganda ng Mazda. Sir Shane. Tinanong ko kung kanina sir to. Sabi niya hindi. Yun daw. Yung 86. Mas pogi. Sir, hello po. Hello. Thank you. Thank you po sir. Grabe naman to. Yes sir. Pamilya po. 323. Ganda. Guys, shoutout sa Proti J Tech kay Sir Christian. Ganda. Tiko. Ang galing. Solid. Guys, makikimarites tayo. Joms TV, makikimarites tayo kung anong ganap dito. Ayan, ano ba ang kaganapan dito? Kasama natin ang friends natin from Retrofit Kings. At i-installan nila itong ano to? Gen 3 3.5. Ayan si ma'am. Hi ma'am of Retrofit Kings. Okay, so Retrofit Kings is basically kahit saang sasakyan pwede.
Yes, boss. Basta po fit siya sa...
Ay, sige. Ito pala si boss.
Kala ko, magtatago.
Fan natin to si boss. Fan tayo ni boss kasi sobrang lakas ng ilaw nila. Last time nung Cars Plus Coffee Car Show, tinutok niya guys hanggang building.
Yeah.
Di ba sir?
Tama po, tama.
Oh, yun. Oh, sir.
Hindi tawag ng UF ngayon, ilaw lang na sasakyan.
Yes, opo. Totoo. Guys, check niyo yung video natin. Ayan, yan yun. Yung pinost natin video, vlog natin. Ayan, na-meet na natin si sir.
Ito po is on the spot na ginagawa, dalawang sasakyan siya.
Okay.
So itong bagong Montero na kakalabas lang sa kasa nito halos,
yes, sir.
Pinapapalitan na siya ng projector.
Ay, retrofit na, yes, sir. Po. Solid. So bali sir, yung retrofit, yung inyong ilaw is specifically for different cars na? As long as naka?
Yes po, kahit ano pong klase ng sasakyan po, pwede po natin i-retro.
Ah, talaga?
Yes,
okay.
Po. Sa mapaluma hanggang sa pinakabago po kayo.
Okay. Grabe, solid. Guys, bagong auto to, bagong Montero to na new release na 3.5. Ito na yung new look na sir?
Yes po, ito na po yun. Yung parang 3.7 yata.
Okay. Ayan. Sir, saan kanila pwede ma-follow?
Ayun, so follow nyo po ang page namin is Retrofit Kings po. Pero kami Retrofit Kings South, Retrofit Kings Cebu, then Retrofit Kings Davao.
Ayun, maraming salamat sir with Retrofit Kings. Sir, maraming salamat Joms TV Media here at AGC Park Lifestyle. Sir, thank you very much. Maraming salamat. God bless. So ayun sir, you were saying yan yung Honda Jazz.
Yes, yung Honda Jazz niya is na-retro namin parang 3 years ago.
Kasi 3 years ago.
Hindi siya sanay na magmaneho ng hindi naka-retro. Dahil ngayon, yung luma yung sasakyan, mas malakas pa yung ilaw kumpara dun sa bago niyang binili.
Ah, talaga sir?
Yes po, kaya ngayon mapapapalit siya ng projector pa rin natin.
Okay. Sir, yan naman, may warranty in terms of warranty?
Yes, warranty naman po yan. Kung ano po mangyari dun sa headlight, sagot naman po natin.
Alright, yun. So basta guys, like and subscribe and check their page, Retrofit Kings.
Yes, Retrofit Kings po.
Ayun, maraming salamat. Luma, bago, basta ilaw, pang headlight, safety, yan. Sagot ng Retrofit Kings.
Yes po, basta nahihirapan po kayo magmaneho dahil wala kayong makitang maliwanag sa kalsada, Retrofit Kings lang po ang sagot dyan.
Maraming salamat sir. Oh guys, ayan na. Ito na yung ilaw na yun. Oh. Ito yung Honda Jazz. Yung manan, naka-ano pa. Saan to? Naka-airsus? Wow, solid oh. Oh yan, ayun yung bato. Wala pa daw. Sir, ano naka-ano dyan? Yung fog light tsaka headlight?
Ito pong headlight po.
Yung headlight.
Yung projector na pinalitan. Convert po yan from LED to projector.
Okay. Alright.
Hi!
Guys, friends natin from Master Garage. Siyempre, of course,
Joms TV,
Move Up Moto TV and Sir Smiley.
Legendary photographer.
Yes sir, idol ko yan.
Lapitin to pero siya mismo yung mga loyal. Smiley in the building. Let's go, Joms TV.
Thank you, Move Up Moto TV. Thank you.
Set tayo
Sir, thank you. Yes sir. Yes sir. Thank you.
60% lang
guys, Mr. PJ Romero in the house, South United.
Joms TV pala nandito.
Maraming salamat.
Lagi nakasuporta yan sa lahat ng mga events dito sa South. Lodi yan, Lodi.
Thank you, Sir PJ.
Yan, supportahan po natin Joms TV. Yan, alam niyo naman.
Thank you, Sir PJ. Any car show?
Meron akong niluluto sa Father's Day, sa June pa naman.
Okay.
Suporta muna tayo sa ibang tropa. Pero yung South United natin, June, Father's Day, 3 days po yun.
Alright.
Meron din tayong Maple Grove ulit at Southwood Small. Abangan natin yan.
Yun yung inaabangan talaga natin. South United with Sir PJ Romero with Joms TV Media. Thank you, Sir PJ. Good seeing you again. Thank you. Let's punta tayo doon, no? May Pops and Bangs doon. Stock down na kotse. Ayan, oh, makikimarites tayo. Alright. Uy. Ayan, guys. Oh. Built-in.
So grabe yun, built-in ko. So, di ba sa Hyundai Elantra?
Yes, Lance Casio in the house.
Hindi nyo kailangan magpa-easy yung tuning, hindi nyo kailangan mag-turbo. Sir, dumami yung tao. Bigyan mo ng bigyan, sir.
Iba yung Pops and Bangs.
Pero pwede na. Tapos stock na kotse.
O sir, inaisip ko si sir, baka pwede akong bumomba. Sir, pwede ba? So, paano ginagawa? Ilang RPM sa bago bumutok? So, 6,000 bitaw. So, parang launch control pala to. So, first time hindi ako nagdadrive na ibang kotse, hindi CB ko, may BJ. First time yun.
Loyal ka kasi.
Oo, kotse, loyal tayo. Mga babaero yung mga naka-Hyundai.
Drive na yan, Moa, Motor
Sige mo yun, parang loyal din yung mga naka-Hyundai. Texting ko, pag sumabog to, boss, bahala ka, pinero mo sa akin. Pops and Bangs, no? Grabe yun, sir, ha? Ang ano eh, napansin ko kay bossing, ano eh, alam niya. Well, bibigyan mo na ako dyan, para ka-testing mo. Sino yung gusto mo ba? Pwede naman nara, sir, eh. Last na yan, hindi ako pagpinti mo, eh. Okay, drive mo. So, sir, may ano ba ito? May tawag doon? May parang di ba yung mga
Si Sir Kings. Wala si Sir Kings, siya.
NGS, kala ko, yung N talaga stands for big ano eh. Nitro! 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 Blood Nitro! Sila, tomboy kasi ito, kaya nervyoso ko eh. Pa-transplant lang yan eh. So, asan yung switch nilo, sir? Oh yeah, pucha. Eh, so additional 10% na kabayo ang papasok nito. Ang ganda ng placing niya kasi kung makikita nyo para siyang nose button angle chain. Pag tinignan mo, so eto ngayon, sir, naka-switch din siya for sports mode na. So ano to, sir, parang launch control niya. Kunyari, gusto mo mag-drag race. Pupustahan mo si... Baka mahirapan mo kayo sa lang. Wala, igalit na. Pero ganda kasi, if you want a reliable car at the same time, daily driven, pwede mong ikarera.
Price.
Yung price, magkano yung price?
Price sir is 2.7. Compared to ano?
2.7 compared to sa ano?
Magalit mga ka-Honda eh.
Hindi, boss! Wala problema! Tagil 500,000 si. So, 2.7?
Yes, sir.
Sige, huwag ka mahiya, boss. Mag-autograph tayo, motor number 1.
Compared to Honda Type R na 3.7, you get additional, less 1 million, sir.
Less 1 million. Oo, Duja, grabe ha. Gusto mo i-build up, pero pinalaman mo yung Honda, boss eh. Pero niya, ganda niya eh. Actually, accurate siya. Sa akong 6,000 talaga pag binaba mo, pop-ups and bang na siya, grabe. Tapos ang importante dito, hindi katulad sa Honda, hindi tumataas yung temperature eh. Sa amin, mga D15 namin, pag ginanya mo, overheat, Brad! So again, maraming salamat. Hyundai, dalawa kasi ito, isang Hyundai Alabang, Hyundai Las Piñas.
Yes.
So this is representing Hyundai Alabang. So may 10,000, ano sila, di ba, fuel voucher, di ba?
Sir, voucher.
Connected lang po. Tsaka yung N-Series na ganito, sir, Elantra, exclusive lang po, sir, sa 4 dealers nationwide po. Hindi po lahat ng Hyundai dealership merong ganito. Kami lang po. Hyundai Alabang, tapos yung iba, hindi ko na po alam.
Hyundai Las Piñas, ba?
Same company, pwede na rin po.
So, if ever malapit ka sa Hyundai Alabang, na-strip mo to, so magkakaroon ka na agad. Kung sa Hyundai Las Piñas naman, same company, Champion Group of Companies, so pwede na mag-associate yung dalawa, at the same time, pwede ka natin sa Las Piñas. Grabe. So, sa mga gusto bumomba, limit to, pag sumabot tayo na, bayaran nyo, talakay na. Hindi matibay ito. Ako, Jonesy, gusto mo ba try? Iba bumabay yung dugo mo, pag-tapos ito. Pero, around 2.7,
2.7,
2.7, 35. 2,735,000 ang bono mo si boss mo. 50K. Bili kami nga! Wala si boss, saan ganda ng design niya? Slick yung design niya. So again, Hyundai Alabang, Las Piñas, this is their booth. Again, Alabang, may special promo sila. So pagpamahal lang yan, boss, no? At gusto mo talaga, gagawin din nila yung paraan para mapunta sa iyo yung auto. Diba? So again, Hyundai Alabang, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Nate.
So again, yung mga gusto mo
Sir Paul.
Gums, I love you,
Take
buddy.
care. Take care, sir.
Gums TV.
Love you too, sir. Take care. See you. Thank you, sir. Ingat. Bye. Ingat.
This episode is brought to you by Coolman Essentials. Like and subscribe to get more discounts.